Slurp.
You have to like move your mouth around and like open it a lot. Like eat it.
Trying not to like laugh and spit everywhere.
Is it crunchy? Why isn't it crunchy for you? Try another bite. Make sure you get some seeds in there.
Okay.
But not too many.
Okay.
Oh, good
Ooh.
one. That's a legit slurp, y'all.
That was like a pirate eye.
Because I try not to laugh and also slap
Eye, Daniels.
Lizzo does that.
But
And
yeah,
then
it's
she's
like, you do have to really move your face around.
Yeah.
Dang.
And you can always re-slurp too if you're off. If you got a lot of seeds there, you can take another just liquid and soothe the experience a little bit. Oh,
Wow.
Oh, shit.
You want to have liquid and seeds at the same time, like lots of liquid while you're biting.
Okay.